Passenger Ship Crowd Management Training. Welcome to the Comprehensive Passenger Ship Crowd Management Training Program. This course is designed in compliance with the standards of training, certification, and watchkeeping, STCW, for seafarers, specifically focusing on Section AV/2 paragraphs 3 and 7, Table AV/2-1. Throughout this training, you will learn essential skills for managing passenger crowds during normal operations and emergency situations on passenger vessels. The training modules will cover safety awareness, effective communication, emergency response procedures, human behavior, and crowd management techniques. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to ensure passenger safety and efficient crowd control on passenger ships.
Course overview and objectives. Learn regulations. Master standards of training, certification, and watchkeeping Section AV2 requirements for passenger vessel crew certification, including mandatory training elements for crowd management and crisis response. Master crowd control. Develop practical skills in passenger flow management, muster station procedures, and techniques for maintaining order during high-stress situations on vessels carrying 500+ passengers. Emergency preparedness. Learn to implement structured evacuation protocols, operate life-saving equipment, and apply psychological techniques to manage passenger behavior during fire, collision, and abandonment scenarios. Certification. Obtain internationally recognized qualification required by IMO regulations for all crew members with passenger safety responsibilities on vessels engaged in international voyages.
Section AV/2, paragraph 3, establishes mandatory minimum training requirements for personnel serving on passenger ships, requires completion of approved safety familiarization training covering vessel-specific life-saving equipment locations, emergency muster stations, evacuation procedures, and use of personal flotation devices. All crew members must demonstrate competence in directing passengers to emergency exits and managing evacuation routes during fire, collision, or sinking scenarios. Section AV/2, paragraph 7, mandates specialized crowd management training for crew with direct passenger responsibilities. Training must include leadership during emergencies, human behavior psychology, effective stress management techniques, and clear communication protocols during crises. Certification requires practical demonstration of crowd control techniques and completion of a minimum 12-hour approved course. Refresher training is mandatory every 5 years with documented evidence of maintained competency. Table AV/2-1 specifies competency standards across 4 domains. 1. Safety awareness, demonstrating proficiency with all vessel safety systems and evacuation plans. 2. Communication protocols, using proper terminology and clear instructions during emergencies. 3. Emergency procedures, executing precise muster, counting, and life-saving equipment deployment. And 4. Human behavior management, applying techniques to prevent panic in crowds of 500+ passengers. Assessment requires simulation exercises and written examinations with minimum 75% passing score.